Hello, friends. Today we learn a simple but strong idea. Time is life. When you use time well, you build a good life. When you waste time, you lose a part of your life. So let's learn to love time, protect time, and use time. Think of each day as a small gift box. At morning, the box opens. Inside the box is one new day. You cannot keep this box for later. You cannot return it to the shop. You must use it now. When the sun goes down, the box closes. That day is gone. A new box comes tomorrow, but today will not come back. Many people say, "I will start later." Later sounds safe, but later is a trick. Later often becomes never. The clock keeps moving. The world keeps moving. Your life keeps moving too. So the best time to do a small good thing is now, this hour, this minute. What does it mean to use time well? It does not mean you must work all day. It means you choose with care. You choose what helps you grow. You choose what gives you health, peace, and joy. Here are simple ways to use time well. Make a small plan in the morning. Write 3 easy tasks. For example, read 10 minutes. Practice 10 new English words. Take a 20-minute walk. Small plans are easy to do. Small wins make you feel strong. Do one thing at a time. When you study, just study. Put your phone away. When you rest, just rest. Your mind feels clear when you focus. Use short blocks. Work for 20 minutes. Rest for 5 minutes. Then work again. This simple rhythm helps you keep going. Say no to time thieves. A time thief is anything that takes your time but gives you nothing good back. Endless scrolling, loud gossip, and lazy just one more video are time thieves. Close the door on them. Let's look at a day with good use of time. You wake up at 6 o'clock. You drink water. You breathe deep. You make your bed. You read a short page in English. You learn 2 new phrases and say them out loud. You feel proud. In the afternoon, you do your job or your schoolwork. You move your body. You send a kind message to a friend. In the evening, you prepare your next day. You sleep on time. This is not a perfect day, but it is a good day. Many small good choices make a strong life. Sometimes we fear we will not do things well. We think, what if I fail? But doing nothing is the real failure. A small step today is better than a big plan next year. Read 1 page, walk 1 block. Write 1 line, call 1 person. These small steps grow into big change. Also remember, rest is part of good time use. Your body and mind need calm time. Take a short walk in a quiet place. Listen to soft music. Sit and breathe for 1 minute. Rest is not waste. Rest gives you power for the next step. To check your time, ask 2 questions. 1. Does this help my life? 2. Will my future self say thank you for this? If your answer is yes, go on. If your answer is no, stop and choose better. Your life is your story. You hold the pen. Every hour is a line in your story. Make the lines clear and kind. Make the lines strong. Use today with care, and tomorrow will be better. Now that we see how time is life, we are ready for the next step. Stop wasting and start building. Let's learn how to do that in part 2. In part 1, we learned that time is life. Now let's see how to stop wasting and start building. Wasting time is easy. Building a good life takes effort, but it is possible. What does wasting look like? Wasting is sitting for hours and doing nothing useful. Wasting is saying, I will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Wasting is spending the whole evening on your phone while your dreams wait. Wasting feels safe at first, but later it brings regret. Why do people waste time? Sometimes they feel afraid. They think, I cannot do this, I am not smart enough. Sometimes they feel stuck. They do not know where to begin, so they do nothing. Sometimes they follow what other people want, not what they want in their own heart. And often, small distractions grow big. One video becomes 10, one game becomes all night. But you can change. You can choose to start building today. Building means you use time to create something better. It may be small, but small steps build big change. When you build, you feel proud, you feel strong. Here are simple ways to start building. Make one clear goal. Example, I want to learn 20 English words this week. Write it down. Look at it every day. Take the first step. Read one page. Write one sentence. Walk for 10 minutes. The first step is the hardest, but after that, it becomes easier. Keep a small win book. Each night, write one thing you did well. Maybe you cooked a meal, finished homework, or spoke English with a friend. Small wins show you that you are growing. Build habits, not excuses. A habit is something you do again and again. If you study 10 minutes each day, that is a habit. If you walk every morning, that is a habit. Good habits are bricks. Each brick builds your strong house of life. Choose friends who build too. If your friends waste time, it is easy for you to waste time. If your friends read, learn, and grow, you will want to do the same. Good friends help you build. Imagine this story. A boy spends many hours on games. He feels bored, tired, and empty. One day he decides to change. He says, I will build a better life. He starts small. He reads one page of a book. He learns 5 new words. He cleans his room. He feels proud. Next week he tries more. After 1 year, his life looks very different. Why? Because he stopped wasting and started building. Building is not about being perfect. You will make mistakes. You will fail sometimes, but mistakes are lessons, not the end. Each time you fall, you stand up again. That is also building. Step by step, your house of life becomes stronger. Also remember, building does not mean work all the time. Rest is part of building too. Rest gives energy for the next step. Balance is important. Work and rest together build a full life. So ask yourself each day, am I wasting or am I building? Choose building. Choose growth. Choose life. Now that you know how to stop wasting and start building, let's move to part 3. Live with purpose. In part 1, we learned that time is life. In part 2, we learned how to stop wasting and start building. Now in part 3, we talk about how to live with purpose. Purpose means reason. It means you know why you do something. Living with purpose makes life bright and strong. What happens if you live without purpose? You wake up, you go through the day, but you feel empty. You do things because other people tell you. You follow the crowd. At night you feel tired but not happy. Many people live like this, but you do not have to. Living with purpose means you choose your way. You ask, what is important for me? What do I want to learn? What kind of person do I want to be? Then you use your time to follow those answers. Here are simple ways to live with purpose. Start each morning with one question. What good thing can I do today? It can be small, like smiling at a neighbor, calling a friend, or reading 10 new English words. Make space for things that matter. If health is important, make time to walk, to eat well, to sleep early. If family is important, make time to listen, to share meals, to laugh together. Say no to things that do not match your purpose. If your goal is to study English, but you watch random videos all evening, you must say no. Every no to waste is a yes to purpose. Write your dreams on paper. Simple words are fine. For example, I want to be kind. I want to speak English clearly. I want to travel one day. Dreams on paper become stronger in your mind. Think of a garden. If you do not plant seeds, weeds will grow. If you plant seeds of flowers, the garden becomes beautiful. Your life is the same. If you do not choose, random things will fill your day. But if you plant seeds of purpose, your life will bloom. Living with purpose also means being brave. Many times you will feel fear. You may think, what if I fail? What if people laugh? But remember, the people who grow are the people who try. Fear is normal, but courage is stronger. Take small steps with courage and your purpose will guide you. Here's a story. A young woman wakes up every day, goes to work, comes home, and sleeps. She feels like her life has no color. One day she asks herself, what do I love? She remembers she loves to sing. She decides to spend 15 minutes each day singing. Soon she joins a small music class. She makes new friends. She feels alive again. Why? Because she found her purpose and gave it time. Your purpose may be big or small. It may be helping family, learning a skill, or serving your community. What matters is that it is true for you. When you follow it, your steps feel light and your heart feels full. So remember, time is life. Stop wasting and start building. And live with purpose. Put these 3 lessons together. Use your time well. Build your dreams step by step. And let purpose be your guide. Then you will not only live, you will live fully, with meaning and with joy.